If you are wondering if there is any bloatware on Samsung Galaxy A56 5G, then the answer is unfortunately yes, especially if we don't really look what we are doing during the initial configuration. And what I mean by that is during the initial configuration there is a certain screen where we are asked to install recommended apps, and if we are not careful enough we might install some of the bloatware by accident. As you can see over here, I'm installing some sort of games which I just missed during the first configuration. So we need to be careful when we go through the initial configuration, because we can disable these apps, at least some of them, so that they are not pre-installed after the initial configuration. And another thing is that even if we not select these apps, even if we uncheck them during that screen, we still have some apps that can be considered as bloatware. More precisely, for example, Netflix is pre-installed, Spotify, or Facebook. Like, some people, I'm pretty sure, not use Facebook at all, so I'm not sure why it is actually pre-installed. TikTok is also pre-installed, at least it was in my case for some reason, and I couldn't even uncheck it. So we also have some Microsoft apps here as well. So yeah, we do unfortunately have bloatware, but thankfully they can be also easily uninstalled without any issues. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!